friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hope from digthegoodlife.com, and today's video is going to be a really fun fall $5 Goodwill challenge that Hilary from my so-called home has put on kind of seasonally for a very long time here on YouTube. And this season, fall, I'm going to be joining in, and I was able to come in under budget, and I grabbed one item for $2.50 at a local thrift shop, and I'm going to give it a little makeover with something that I have gathered from my own garden, and I think it's going to turn it into a really beautiful piece of decor that I can use in my home this fall and probably through the winter. So keep watching if you want to see that project. So what I was able to find at the thrift shop was this grapevine wreath, and my sweet little daughter actually eyeballed it for me and said, "Mama, look there." And I was actually looking for exactly this type of thing. So it was $2.50, and it's got some gorgeous, lovely artificial fall foliage on it, which I will be removing. And what I will be adding to it is dried hydrangeas from my own yard. So if you are not familiar with drying hydrangeas, it's one of the easiest flowers ever to dry and preserve. It's really fun. You can bring them in at the end of summer and the fall, and you can keep them pretty much indefinitely in your house in a bouquet, or like I'm going to do a wreath or something like that, and they last beautifully. The first whole year they're really beautiful, and they last after that. They just start to get more and more pale and a little bit more thin and airy looking, but they are a beautiful natural way to add some beauty to your home. So I gathered these hydrangeas and some of these that are a little bit smaller from the same bush in my yard. And if you don't know how to dry hydrangeas, it's super easy. The trick is you have to pick them at the right time. So you do not want to pick them early on in the summer. They will probably wilt right away on you. So you wait. August and September really are the best months for most people to be picking hydrangeas to dry. As long as you feel the hydrangea on the bush and it's clearly started to sort of turn a darker shade, like you can see these have some pink to them. The blue hydrangeas will sort of take on a darker blue brownish tinge to them, and if they've started the drying process on the bush already, then you are safe to go ahead and clip them. You can strip the leaves off and place them in a dry container, or you can hang them upside down, and they will dry very quickly, about 2-3 days, and you will have gorgeous dried hydrangeas that will last you for months and months and months, even years. Thanks, bud. Okay, so I have removed all of the artificial leaves and whatnot from this, and we've just got a pretty plain grapevine wreath. These are really pretty, you know, even just by themselves. I love all the little curly cues.
Ba, ba, da, ba, ba.
So I decided to finish the project off with a little spritz of some of this Rust-Oleum clear protective finish, just to give it a little bit extra protection, because I would like it to last a while. I am tickled pink with how this turned out. I think it is so beautiful, and it was so simple. I just tucked them right in and they held really well. Very excited to enjoy this all fall and winter. I decided that I would like to start out displaying it on our mantle, so what better opportunity to do a little bit of a mantle refresh and put some fall vibes up here. Thank you so much for stopping by today and joining me, and I hope you are having a beautiful start to your fall, and I will see you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you next time. Toodaloo! Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and
We're going for a hike, Mama.
thank you so much for stopping by and joining me.